All right, good afternoon. Turn the car on and we got this here, right turn signal out, and we got the little indicator bulb. We want to get that shut off and get our turn signal fixed. First thing I'm going to do is turn our emergency lights on, because I'm going to go double check and make sure that that is in fact the issue. So we'll step back here. As you can see, this guy's flashing. This guy's flashing, and this is a 2013 Volkswagen Passat. So we have that bulb is dead. Let's get that fixed. All right, first we're gonna grab this guy and pop that off, revealing this. All right, and then as we come into here, there's a little red thing. You can do this with your hand, but it's kind of hard, so that pops up with a little flathead screwdriver, and then come in here and wiggle that guy out. That connector's out. Then we're going to turn this guy and undo this. You can use a flathead screwdriver in there, but this wing nut makes it pretty easy. All right, let's move to the next part. All right, so for this part, pull straight out. And the reason is you got one of these little holders in here, but it comes out pretty darn easy. So then we got these little tabs. So let's come back here. These first couple tabs kind of pop out and are pretty easy, but you kind of have to get the tab to come up over this. And then for the last one, you might need a screwdriver, but pry very gently because these can get brittle and break. So that one's out, that one's out. This one pops back in. You might have to kind of go back and forth to get them all out. Oh. Let's see. So that's out. We have our bulbs. This bulb is the 7506 bulb, and when you do these, you press down and turn. Dealing with a dead bulb, it doesn't matter, but fresh bulbs don't touch the light. It's just a good rule of thumb. Let's pop into here and gently peel this back. Try to just hold on to this, and I'm just going to use this guy, and it's got these two little tabs here on the bulb that lines up here. Press down, it'll click into place. Now it's ready to put back in. This guy pops in here, and we get all of those tabs to click into place. And there's a little seal, so it'll lock in firm. Now we're going to put this back in. So this comes out here, slides into place. So one thing that's tough is getting this bolt to line up just right. So you might have to wiggle back and forth and find exactly where it goes. Yeah, once you kind of find the slot, yep, and cut. All right, so yeah, definitely it might help you a lot to shine a light to line this bolt up, but once you get it lined up, make sure I have one hand on the outside pushing the light in. We tighten that up until it's firm. I mean, I wouldn't go crazy tight, but those are plastic threads. We're going to reconnect our wire. We push this in, and then we push the red locking mechanism down. So that's pushed down. Then we put this back, and we'll check it out, make sure it works. We can see we got our flasher back, so we're good to go. Hey, if you like this video, consider subscribing. Helps out a lot, and we'll see you next time.